In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the text color change on Hover in Wix. This can add an interactive element to your website, making it more engaging for your visitors. Let's get started by heading over to the Wix website. Once there, open your specific website project that you're working on. From within the editor, you'll want to add an element. To do that, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Add Elements. Here, you'll want to add a box to your page. This is your container where the text will dynamically change color. Now, after clicking on Box, choose one that suits your design. Once you've selected a box, you'll notice it comes with a background color. We're about to change that to achieve our desired effect. Click on the box you've just added to reveal its settings and locate the Design button. Click on it and then proceed to Customize Design. It's important to have control over how your elements look, so click on Fill and Color. Here, you'll want to reduce the background opacity to 0. By doing so, you make the box itself invisible, allowing the text to stand out. Next, you'll place your text inside this box. Simply drag your text onto the box and position it the way you like. Once the text is in place, you might find that you need to adjust the size of the box, just to ensure everything fits nicely and nothing looks squashed. Now comes the interactive part. With the box still selected, look over to the Settings panel and locate Hover Interaction. Click on this option to begin setting up the hover effect. You'll then be prompted to click Get Started. This is where you set the magic in motion. Find the text that you placed in the box earlier and click on it to start customizing its design, specifically for when it's hovered over. You'll want to click on Design and then Color to choose a color that will appear when the viewer hovers their mouse over the text. This is where you can make the text pop and capture attention. You have the freedom to choose any color that aligns with your website's overall theme or the unique style you're aiming for. Additionally, you can choose to increase the character spacing. This subtle adjustment can make each letter more pronounced when hovered, providing a cleaner and more intentional look. When all your tweaks feel right, it's time to see them in action. Click on the Preview option located in the top menu bar. This will enable you to experience exactly what your visitors will see, ensuring that your text color change functions smoothly on Hover. And there you have it. You've successfully made your text change color on Hover in Wix, adding an engaging feature to your site.